In this question, we have been asked to find the total probability. So we start by defining E1 to be the event that the applicant is a male and E to be the event that the applicant is a female. Let A be the event that the candidate gets a distinction. It is given that 2/3 of the total applicants were females. That means P of E2 equal to 2/3. It is given that the rest were males. That means E1 is the complement event. So P of E1 equal to 1 minus P of E2. So P of E1 equal to 1 minus 2/3, which means P of E1 equal to 1/3. Using the data in the question, we get P of A given E1 equal to 0.4 and P of A given E2 equal to 0.35. In the question, we are required to find the total probability P of A. So apply the formula for P of A, substitute the values and calculate the probability.